Hello, welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I just reached 1,000 subscribers and I am so happy. I really love making these videos and I'm glad you're enjoying them. In celebration of this event, I'm going to pot up a beautiful container using a lot of pink. This particular Celosia is Dragon's Breath and I'm going to use these beautiful petunias. I'm also going to use Postman, Joyner, Caladium that I started from a corm about 8 weeks ago, and it's finally starting to bloom or leaf out. Do you call it bloom or do you call it leafing out? I'll call it bloom. I think this is going to be a gorgeous container display. Stay tuned and we'll do this right now. So for this pot up, I am simply going to use the standard potting mix, and this is a 5-gallon container that I'm using. This is just my interior pot, and I like moving my plants around so I can put this in a variety of different places depending on what looks best. First thing I'm going to do is take this out, and you can see the root system is still, it's not completely root bound, but it is starting to wrap a little bit. I'm going to put this towards the back of the container. I want to get it deep within. This is a proven winner Super Petunia called Daybreak Charm. And my husband, I had a sombrero variety, I think it was called, last year. My husband loved it, and I didn't get to the store in time and they were sold out. So I got this one as a second best. Again, my husband wanted this particular color combination. I'm just going to plant this one in there. And then I'm going to put this Postman Joyner Caladium in. And it's really going to be a crowded container. Get this in there, and I'm going to start scooping some soil in to fill in the void. I always try to keep the tags, if I can, where I have tags available so that I remember what I bought, because I just can't remember. I can't remember from one day to the next what I did. That's another part of making these videos. A lot of these videos I do just to help myself remember. A little bit of wind outside today. It's nice to have the greenhouse to be able to video and to not have that wind whipping in the mic. Now, I had the Postman Joyner Caladium in a little bit more sun last year, and it seemed to do pretty good. So we'll probably do a part sun. We'll probably do part sun on this one, but we'll see. Put my tag in so I can remember what variety I've got. I never can. And so that's one done. I'm going to zoom the camera in so you can see how I pot up the next one a little bit on a close-up. All right, so let's do the second one here. A little bit. I'm going to just make room for this Celosia. Again, this is a red, no, it's a Dragon's Breath. I want to call it Red Dragon, but it's Dragon's Breath. Celosia. Absolutely. The color is amazing. Very beautiful. I'm going to get that in the bottom of the pot. I'm just going to push the soil potting mix around. And then I am going to do, this is a proven winners. And again, this is a Super Petunia Daybreak Charm. I know what the other variety was. It's called Tuscan Sunset. This is one I had last year that my husband loved. And it was really beautiful. It draped almost 4 feet to the ground from the container we had it in. So it was just quite a showstopper. And then the next one is a Postman Joyner Caladium. I think what I do when I get this potted up is I'm just going to set it on my deck. I'm trying to get my stuff together. This year, I'm behind. I'm very, very behind because I've been helping my brother-in-law, who is a disabled veteran, getting him to lots of his appointments. And so that I've just happened to be running behind this year. So my motto for this year, 2024, is going to be just roll with it, because I can only do so much. So I think that is a good outlook on life. Sometimes you do just have to roll with it. So I'm just going to tap these in and make sure I got the soil all the way around these root balls. And then I'll end up just simply watering it in from there. In the end, this is what it's going to look like. And I think it's just quite gorgeous. Can hardly wait till it to fill out. It should be completely overflowing the container within 30 days is my guess. And just looking spectacular come about 4th of July. If this video is helpful, give us a thumbs up so YouTube knows to share this content with others. Also consider subscribing so you don't miss any of our other great videos. If you like how-to videos, check this playlist next. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.